I just spent $17 at Dollar Tree testing 10 brand new viral garden hacks that are blowing up right now. And let me tell you, hack number 7 completely shocked me. Over the next few minutes we're putting everything to the test, from window bird feeders to DIY garden arches, so you can see which hacks are actually worth trying in your own garden. Before we jump in, I want to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. And if you love discovering clever budget-friendly gardening ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our future Dollar Tree garden experiments. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, bathroom suction cup window bird feeder. For this first hack, I grabbed one of Dollar Tree's clear bathroom suction cup soap dishes and turned it into a window-mounted bird feeder. The idea is simple but genius. Attach the suction cup to a clean window, fill the dish with bird seed, and watch the birds come to you. I tested it over 5 days, trying different types of seeds to see how much weight the suction could handle, and whether the birds would actually use it. Surprisingly, it held up perfectly, even with heavier seeds like sunflower. Having the birds right outside my window gave me the perfect close-up view of their feeding habits without disturbing them. What really blew me away was how much the birds preferred this $1.25 feeder over my $30 traditional hanging feeder. The built-in drainage holes prevent soggy seeds. The clear dish makes it easy to see when it needs refilling, and the suction cup stays secure, even in wind or rain. It's lightweight, reusable, and takes just seconds to set up. Honestly, I wasn't expecting a Dollar Tree item to outperform a much pricier product. But this little feeder proved that sometimes the simplest hacks are the most effective. Hack number 2, salt and pepper shaker propagation wall. This hack takes something you already have in your kitchen, Dollar Tree salt and pepper shakers, and turns it into a functional, eye-catching plant propagation station. The concept is simple but clever. Mount the shakers on a wall using strong adhesive strips or magnets. Fill them with water, and place plant cuttings inside. I tested this setup on a kitchen wall near a sunny window, monitoring root growth over the course of a week. Not only was it incredibly easy to keep track of which cuttings were thriving, but it also saved so much counter space compared to traditional propagation jars. The uniform design of the shakers makes it feel neat and organized, almost like a mini botanical display right on your wall. The results were even better than I expected. Roots developed quickly, the cuttings stayed upright and secure, and the setup looked surprisingly stylish, almost Instagram-worthy. At a total cost of $2.50, it's an affordable way to add some greenery without cluttering surfaces. I also loved how customizable it is. You can swap shakers for different sizes or colors, rotate cuttings easily, and even use it as a conversation piece when guests visit. For a simple, low-cost idea, this propagation wall delivers both function and aesthetic appeal, making it one of my favorite Dollar Tree hacks so far. Hack number 3, deviled egg tray seed starter. For this hack, I took a simple 12-compartment deviled egg tray from Dollar Tree and turned it into a mini seed starting system. Each compartment acts like its own little plant cell, keeping seeds separated and preventing root tangling. I filled every section with seed starter mix and planted a variety of herbs, basil, parsley, cilantro, and even some tiny flowers. Closing the lid created a mini greenhouse effect, helping to retain humidity and warmth, which is exactly what seeds need to germinate successfully. Over the course of a week, I tracked growth and was thrilled to see consistent sprouting in almost every compartment, proving that even something as basic as a deviled egg tray can be a powerful gardening tool. What makes this hack a game changer is how versatile and efficient it is. The compartments are perfectly sized for seedlings, so you don't waste soil or overcrowd roots, and the clear lid makes it easy to monitor progress without disturbing delicate sprouts. When it's time to transplant, the seedlings lift out individually, making the process much smoother than trying to separate plants from a crowded tray. Plus, at only $1.25, this is one of the cheapest, most effective seed starting solutions I've found, and it's compact enough for a small windowsill or balcony. It's simple, smart, and surprisingly effective. Definitely a must-try hack for any gardener. Hack number 4, Clothespin trellis clips. This hack is all about gently supporting climbing plants without harming their stems. I grabbed a pack of wooden clothespins from Dollar Tree and used them to clip cucumber vines to a garden trellis. Unlike traditional ties or strings that can pinch or damage stems, these clips hold plants securely, while still allowing for natural growth. I tested them over several weeks, monitoring how the vines responded to wind and growth pressure. The clothespins stayed in place, were easy to adjust as the plants grew, and even survived a couple of unexpected gusts of wind without popping off. This method is both practical and reusable, making it a low-cost alternative to specialized plant clips. What really surprised me was how flexible and adaptable this simple hack is. You can use it for anything from tomatoes to beans, and it works on both vertical and angled trellises. The clips are lightweight, inexpensive at just $1.25 for a 50-pack, and can be reused year after year. I also appreciated how easy it was to move them around. No knots to untie or ties to cut, which makes training plants much simpler. For gardeners looking for a gentle budget-friendly way to guide their climbers, these clothespins are an unexpectedly effective solution that combines simplicity with real functionality. Hack number 5. Clear Storage Box Mini Greenhouse. This hack transforms a simple Dollar Tree snap-top plastic storage container into a portable mini greenhouse for seedlings. I placed several starter pots inside the container, closed the lid, and monitored temperature and humidity over a week. The clear plastic traps warmth and moisture, creating the perfect microenvironment for young plants to thrive. Unlike traditional seed trays that are stationary, these containers are lightweight and portable, so I could easily move my seedlings into sunlight or shade as needed. Even small balconies or apartment windowsills can now host a tiny greenhouse setup without taking up much space. What impressed me most was the versatility of this hack. The snap-top lid makes it easy to access seedlings without disturbing them, and stacking multiple containers allows for organized, space-efficient gardening. Moisture retention is excellent. Less frequent watering is needed, and plants consistently showed healthy growth. At only $1.25 per container, this is an affordable solution for beginners or anyone who wants a small-scale, manageable greenhouse. It's a perfect combination of convenience, functionality, and budget-friendliness, proving that a simple storage box can outperform more expensive seed starting setups. Hack number 6. Ice Cube Tray Herb Garden. This hack uses a simple Dollar Tree ice cube tray to start tiny herbs indoors, turning an everyday household item into a functional mini garden. I planted basil, cilantro, and parsley in individual compartments, covered them lightly with plastic wrap to maintain humidity, and placed the tray on a sunny windowsill. Each compartment acts like its own tiny pot, keeping roots separate and making it easy to monitor germination. Over the course of several days, I tracked growth and found that most seeds sprouted consistently, proving that even an ice cube tray can provide the right environment for small herb seedlings. While the hack is cute and extremely affordable at just $1.25, it has its limitations. The compartments are very small, so roots can quickly become bound if left too long, which means these seedlings need to be transplanted sooner rather than later. Despite that, it's a fun and educational way to start herbs indoors, especially for teaching kids about gardening or experimenting with small-scale planting. It's also incredibly space-efficient, perfect for apartment windowsills or tight kitchen counters. Overall, this hack is charming, practical for small herbs, and a surprisingly effective way to get a jump start on indoor gardening. Hack number 7. Metal Trellis Garden Arch. This hack completely blew me away. I took multiple 24-inch metal trellises from Dollar Tree and zip-tied them together to create a 6-foot garden archway. Setting it up involved securing the trellises with cable ties and adding a few support stakes at the base for stability. Once the arch was built, I planted climbing beans and morning glories along the sides and watched them start to grow upward, weaving naturally around the structure. Over 2 weeks of testing, I monitored the arch for sturdiness, wind resistance, and overall appearance, and I was stunned at how solid and beautiful it looked. What makes this hack a total game changer is how expensive it looks compared to what it actually costs. For just $12.50 plus zip ties, I ended up with a garden feature that could easily pass for a $100 plus arch. The height is perfect for walking under, and with proper staking, it stays stable even in dusty conditions. Beyond functionality, it adds serious visual impact to the garden, making it a focal point for climbing plants or vines. Honestly, I didn't expect something from Dollar Tree to be this durable and elegant, and it's hands down the most impressive hack of the bunch so far. Definitely the one that left me saying, wow, I can't believe this worked. Hack number 8. 3-section stackable planter tower. This hack is all about creating vertical gardening space. Using simple Dollar Tree planters, I drilled a hole in the center of 3 plastic planters, inserted a sturdy broomstick through them, and stacked them to form a 3-tiered tower. Each level was planted with strawberries, giving the plants room to spread without taking up much horizontal space. The idea is perfect for small patios, balconies, or gardens with limited room, as it maximizes vertical space, while keeping everything organized and visually appealing. I tested the tower's stability, watering each tier to see if the structure could handle the added weight, and at first it wobbled a bit until I added an umbrella base for extra support. While this hack is excellent for saving space, it's not without its challenges. Without proper support, the tower can easily become top-heavy, especially once the plants grow larger and heavier. It's also important to monitor water flow carefully, so that the top tier doesn't dry out faster than the lower levels. Despite these considerations, the stackable planter tower is an innovative budget-friendly solution for anyone looking to grow multiple plants in a compact area. At just $5 for the planters and broomstick, it's a fun DIY project that combines practicality with a creative approach to gardening in tight spaces. Hack number 9. Wire Basket Globe Solar Light. This hack turns ordinary Dollar Tree wire hanging baskets into a stunning glowing garden orb. I zip-tied 2 wire baskets together to form a spherical shape and placed a small solar stake light inside. Hanging it from a garden hook, I tested it over 3 nights to see how well it glowed and whether it could withstand wind and weather. The results were magical. The baskets cast a soft, diffused light across the garden, creating a whimsical, almost fairy tale-like ambiance. No wiring, no expensive outdoor fixtures, just a simple creative hack that completely transformed the space after dark. What makes this hack such a winner is how simple yet effective it is. The solar light charges during the day and automatically illuminates at night, providing a beautiful and energy-efficient lighting solution. The wire structure is lightweight, but sturdy enough to handle outdoor conditions, and it can easily be moved or repositioned for different effects. At just $3.75 for 2 baskets and a solar light, it's an affordable way to add instant charm to your garden. This hack proves that with a little creativity, you can take ordinary Dollar Tree items and turn them into something that looks custom-made and professionally designed. Hack number 10. Cupcake Container Seedling Organizer. For this final hack, I used clear Dollar Tree cupcake containers to create an organized seed starting system with built-in humidity control. Each compartment served as its own mini greenhouse, allowing me to plant multiple seed varieties without mixing them. I stacked several containers, monitored germination rates, and found that the clear lids made it easy to track which seeds were sprouting and when they needed watering. This setup is perfect for anyone who wants a tidy, efficient way to start multiple plants at once without taking up too much counter or windowsill space. What really stands out about this hack is how simple yet effective it is for organization. You can label each compartment, stack multiple containers for space-saving vertical gardening, and control the environment for each variety separately. The compact size makes it easy to move or store, and at just $1.25, it's an affordable way to keep seedlings healthy and organized. Whether you're a beginner gardener or a seasoned pro, these cupcake containers are a surprisingly practical tool for keeping your plants neat, accessible, and thriving. And there you have it. 10 brand new Dollar Tree garden hacks tested and reviewed, all for under $20. From the surprisingly sturdy metal trellis arch, to the cute ice cube herb trays. These hacks prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get creative, functional, and beautiful garden solutions. Out of all of them, the top 3 game changers were the Metal Trellis Garden Arch, the Deviled Egg Seed Starter, and the Wire Basket Solar Globe, each one offering incredible value and practicality. Which one of these hacks shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love seeing what ideas inspire you. And if you want more budget-friendly, clever gardening tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. These hacks might be simple, but with a little creativity, they can completely transform your garden space.